Hi everyone, and welcome to another daily video from Shopify Dropshipping Lifestyle. My name is Ricky Hayes. Today's video is all about targeting worldwide traffic, okay, and how you do it and why and when. Alright, let's get straight into it. So with worldwide traffic, I've already gone and sort of set it up. Basically, you just want to make your existing ad is what I would be doing, and then you want to set worldwide. It'll then set every country in the world. Very easy. But you want to exclude some countries. Africa being one. India, Thailand, Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Pakistan are the first you want to remove. Now, mainly the reason why you want to move those is those are countries that are going to get you traffic but not sales. Okay, firstly, it's just wasted traffic, wasted money. They're not really going to get you sales. You might get a fluke sale here and there, but very unlikely, and it's likely that the sales you do get are actually fraudulent. Okay, so you just want to avoid those, because you know, like when it's annoying. You know, one of the parts that's annoying with the refund or return is basically that you have paid your merchant transaction fee of 2% plus 30 cents usually, or around that figure. And if you get these, then you've paid that, and then you've just lost money, even more money on nothing. Okay. A sale means nothing if you're not getting the money. All right, so take those countries out. Indonesia and Thailand are especially countries that have a high chance of fraud. And actually, additionally, and the reason you don't really want to target them is that they're likely to be countries of people that are going to go there, try and find your website, steal your information as much as they can. Okay, it's happened to me many times, and it'll happen to you. You can't control it all, but where you can, try and control some aspects to it. Okay, you keep everything else the same age demographics, everything else is working well, because if it's likely to work where, you know, United States, all of them, it's likely to be very similar demographics in other countries. Okay, believe it or not, we are very similar in our different age percentiles at different age points in our life of maturity, as well as financial maturity and stability. All right, so further to this, you want to take out the big five. Now, the reason I say that is because you're already targeting them, okay? If you are targeting United States, which likely to be doing so, you want to take them out. You want to take Canada, Australia, UK, New Zealand, and did I say Australia? United States, sorry. Because you're already targeting them. You've got the same audience. And what's going to happen is the Facebook will be like, well, these are the biggest countries. They're the most likely to convert. It'll target them anyway. So basically, you're just making the same type of ad as your previous ads, and you don't want that. So you just take them out. And you know, if you're targeting Europe, take them out. If you're targeting any countries already that are doing well, and then you want to go worldwide, just make sure to just take them out. That's all you need to do. That's all you need to do to start. Okay, nothing major, nothing amazing. There's no secret to this. Once then you run it on the same budget. You can run it on $5 budget if you want to run it on the exact same budget as what you're running your other possibly winning ad on. Do that. It's up to you. It's up to your budget. Keep that in mind. And then let it run. Now, a worldwide one, two things you got to note is your conversion rate is going to take a bit of a hit. You're going to get more traffic. You're going to get add to carts, but you're going to get more conversion rate. Your retargeting will help, and it will get you some sales. But remember, it is going to cost you a bit extra. You've got to be mindful of that. At the end of the day, traffic doesn't mean anything if you're not getting sales. Okay, so do not do this pro step until you have confirmed that, you know, in United States and all of that, you're doing well and you have the money for it. Okay, don't just be like, oh yeah, I've gotten a couple of sales, I'm going to start targeting the whole world. No, it doesn't work that way. Just stick to what works for now. This is probably, you know, a couple of weeks down the line. Again, because my method is a slow scale, it takes me a while before I start targeting worldwide. And I am starting to target now. I've only pretty much started myself, if I'm honest, because the other countries are doing so well. And I've gotten a number of sales from it. If you're in my group, Shopify Dropshipping Lifestyle, you would have seen post about that already. It's funny, some of the places you get orders from. Like, you get an actual order. Like, I've gotten an order where, because I knew one of my previous suppliers' address was 5 minutes down the road from the actual supplier's address, so it was hilarious. But anyway, you're gonna get that stuff, okay? So that's pretty much it from today's video. I hope you have liked today's video. My name is again Ricky Hayes from Shopify Dropshipping Lifestyle. If you have liked it, please hit the like button. Don't forget to comment, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get updated on every video I make, okay? Don't forget to join my group, Shopify Dropshipping Lifestyle on Facebook. Just shy of 2K members as of recording this video at 9:30 in the morning. Absolutely amazing. But a bit of housekeeping rules. This is just very short and sweet. I've been alerted to a couple of my posts, or one of them, sorry, I should say, has been utilized by someone out there to try and sell course in their own material, or whether it's actually their material or not is unknown and irrelevant as far as I'm concerned. Please report these people. Not just to me, but just report them. Don't hesitate to put that in the group. I really like that because, again, there is a lot of this that goes on, and it's you that I'm worried about, okay? The community and people you don't know that these people will be taken advantage of. It may not work much, but it works enough for them to keep doing it, okay? And that's the thing. In order, we're never going to be able to fully stop it. I acknowledge that, and I'm sure you all are well aware of that. However, in order to try and stop this, we do have to take preventative action. So please report these people. Please post in the group. Please don't hesitate to post in the group about that. I am very passionate about that because I don't like people that work hard for their money to then essentially get their money wasted because they're being scammed, and it happens, and it's sad. And I'm not having a go at the people that are being scammed. I'm having a go at the people doing the scamming because unfortunately, where there's light, there's darkness. That's inevitable, okay? But aside from that, everything is going well. I'm back in action, back from Canberra. So I'm trying to catch up on things. I didn't make a video yesterday, so I am sorry about that. I did feel guilty. I just did not get the time. But I hope you have liked today's video. Thank you very much for your time. You all have a lovely day. Take care and goodbye.